let's take a look at this way more affordable Brabus 800 that comes from the E-Class. Only 250,000 euros for this car. I love the wheels with the carbon ceramic brakes and the yellow calipers. Bi-turbo 800. This is basically the Mercedes AMG E63 4MATIC that Brabus modified. It produces 800 horsepower, as the badge 800 suggests, and 1000 Newton meters of torque. Here you can see some closer images of the twin turbo V8 engine. It's also the bi-turbo 4-liter V6. It's in the S-Class right here. Also 800 horsepower. Beautiful black, red and white interior with white seat belts. Incredible stitching on the seats. Frameless mirror again. Carbon fiber mirrors. And carbon ceramic brakes with beautiful gold brake calipers. Carbon fiber details on the front bumper. Brabus logo, of course. Beautiful wheels. Bi-turbo 800. Carbon fiber mirrors, as I said. I love this little detail. There's actually a little bee, I don't know if you can see it, on the door lock. Brabus written right here, and the white leather stab, and the white leather centering strap. Absolutely incredible interior.